Mark!
I'm starting to get sweaty. And contrary to what most people think, I think I look better wet. I've been campaigning this for about 2 years now. So throughout the show, you will see me getting sexier and sexier as it gets hotter and hotter. You know?
And
what?
If you watch close enough, you might watch Tom getting fatter and fatter as the show goes on, too.
Why would I be getting fatter?
Because...
Boobies!
Oh, jeez. Stop it. No.
Pat, you are too young.
You're way too young. Gosh. Let me tell you why you're going to get fatter and fatter, because dog semen is full of calories.
Yeah, don't eat dog semen. We hear that there's heart... It's the #1 cause of bad breath.